how to use Clearpay Online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can use Clearpay Online. Now, in order to use Clearpay Online for making purchase, you have to generally follow the steps. So all you need to do is just open up your browser and then log in into your Clearpay account. So in my case, I'm using a browser as the interface won't be recorded in the application. So you need to look for the online retailer that accepts Clearpay as a payment method. So basically you have to go ahead and look for the store, and you can usually find this information on the retailer's website during the checkout process or in the payment option as well. Then you need to browse the online store and add the item you want to purchase to your shopping cart. After that, you need to add the item to your wish list, or you need to during the checkout process, you will typically be presented with various payment options. Choose carefully. Choose Clearpay as your payment method. Then you need to Clearpay users, you may need to create an account, and this involves providing some personal information and agreeing to Clearpay's terms and conditions. Now, if you already have a Clearpay account, log in using your credential, and you need to perform a quick eligibility check to ensure you meet the criteria. Now, once your eligibility is confirmed, proceeding to complete the payment process, Clearpay will split the total cost of your purchase into equal installment, which you will have to pay over time. So then you need to receive the order confirmation and manage the payment, and you've successfully used your Clearpay Online. So in this way, you can use Clearpay Online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.